Mending fences, healing and rebuilding relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, to mend fences. This phrase is not just about repairing physical fences but has a deeper meaning in interpersonal relationships. Let's dive into it and understand how and when to use this expression effectively. The phrase, to mend fences, originally comes from the literal act of fixing broken fences. However, in everyday English, it's used metaphorically to describe the process of repairing or improving relationships that have been damaged by disagreement or argument. It implies making an effort to resolve conflicts and restore good relations. Understanding the origins of idioms helps in grasping their meaning more intuitively. The term, mending fences, was first used in a literal sense, related to fixing broken or damaged fences on farms or properties. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for resolving disputes and rebuilding relationships, much like repairing a broken fence to restore its original state. Let's look at some examples of how to mend fences can be used in everyday conversation. After their argument, John decided it was time to mend fences with his brother. The meeting was held to mend fences between the two departments after last month's misunderstanding. These examples show the phrase being used to describe actions taken to improve relations after a conflict. In professional settings, to mend fences can be a valuable skill. It involves addressing past issues and working towards a positive and productive environment. For instance, the manager called for a team meeting to mend fences after the recent project mishap. It's important for leaders to know how to mend fences to maintain harmony within the team. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of to mend fences. It's a powerful phrase that signifies the importance of healing and rebuilding relationships, both in personal and professional contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this idiom like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.